The turnout of voters in polling to Shillong Lok Sabha constituency and Tura Lok Sabha constituency was 63.56% and 75.60% respectively, while the turnover in the by-poll to Sesela Assembly constituency was around 82%, which recorded an overall voting of around 67.03%. The by-election to Sesela Assembly seat was held simultaneously with the polls to the two Lok Sabha seats, Shillong and Tura. 6 candidates are in the ferry for Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, 3 candidates from Tura Lok Sabha seat and 4 contestants from Sesela Assembly, and the fate of these 13 candidates have been now sealed in the electronic voting machines. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkongor told reporters on Thursday evening that of 3,167 polling stations in the state, the final tally has not reached yet from 644 polling booths, mostly from polling stations under Tura Lok Sabha constituency. According to the available figure, the overall voting percentage was 67.03%, and the figure may go up after getting final reports from all the remaining polling stations. The CEO congratulated the people for exercising their franchise, especially the person with disabilities as well as youth who have been engaged as poll volunteers in various polling stations.
The Shillong Parliamentary Constituency and the Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So, as per the figures that we have with us, which are not really the final figures, but more or less towards the final figures, we have with us the information available that the poll percentage is 67.03%. 67.03%. But we would also like to inform you that this is the input that we have received from about 2,500 polling stations or so. So there are still about 644 polling stations from which we are to get the full and final figures due to various reasons like connectivity and remoteness, and those polling stations we are not able to establish contact. So suffice it to say that out of these available polling stations where we could establish contact, out of the 3,167, out of these 2,500 polling stations, the polling percentage is at 67.03%. Now I would also like to share with you that this year our total electorate is 19,14,000 plus, and out of this electorate of 19,14,000, if you look at 67% of that, that means almost 12,81,164 voters had exercised their franchise. So in terms of the number of people who would have actually cast their votes, it is actually more than 2014 in terms of volume of the people who have cast their vote and who have gone to the polling station. If you look at 67% out of the total eligible electorate that is there, it is 12,81,164 in comparison to the 10,77,948 which voted in 2014. But of course we will share with you the final figures maybe by late evening or tomorrow morning, because there are many inaccessible polling stations. About 104 of them, 107 of them are polling stations which you have to go through foot march. Many polling stations in parts of South Garo Hills and also parts of West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and some parts in other corners of the state. They have very poor connectivity, and polling stations are still on their way up. So as it stands, that is the case of the the polling percentage. We've had largely peaceful elections, no untoward incidents, except the incident which you may have all been aware of, which happened in the Tangardev polling stations in Shillong, where one of the contesting candidates had entered into a polling station, and with regard to that, the returning officer was asked to ascertain the facts of the case, and on the report having been ascertained, there was an FIR filed against that concerned person, and a case against misconduct in polling station has been filed. The case has been registered and an FIR has been filed. under Section 131, Section 132 of the RP Act. Apart from that, we are also happy to share with you that there was enthusiastic participation from all sections of the people, and especially we would like to congratulate the people with disabilities, the PWDs, who have come out in large numbers to vote in this particular elections, which has been made special for them as part of accessible elections through many arrangements. So they were seen in many polling stations voting very enthusiastically. We also compliment the active and very proactive participation of our Matdata Mitras, or the poll volunteers, the young students drawn from various youth organizations like Bharat Scouts and Guides, the NSS and the NYK. And they have gone the extra mile to ensure that priority voting is accorded to the people with disability, the aged and the infirm. And many of them were seen actively in fact assisting